In this video, I'll go ahead and demonstrate how to do the factory reset for the Xerox Versalink models. First, what we'll have to do is we need to go into service rep mode. We'll hold down the home button for about 8 to 10 seconds. Once that is up, we'll go ahead and let go of the button. It'll pop up an alternative menu asking for a passcode. 6789 is the code, and then hit enter. In here, we'll be in service mode. We'll go into the device icon here. Then we're going to scroll all the way down to find resets. Then we're going to go ahead and select reset to factory defaults. This should take about 5 to 10 minutes for the process to happen. And once it turns on, you'll start out from a menu language from the very beginning.